You gotta put it. Woo! That's awesome. That's so awesome. Are you still? Wasn't it awesome that like half the people know speak Spanish at first?
Yeah. That's so funny. I actually really like it a lot. I like Andrea's boyfriend.
Yeah, he's a nice guy, except he's 40. Exactly, that's his age. Oh, it's double his age.
Oh yeah, I got a package. And it's like, he's like,
Yeah. Yeah. What is that? What is
like all that like why did they do that?
Yeah.
You left your package by the front door. I see that, man.
Yeah, what is it? Dude, I'm gonna have serious trust issues. Like that. Is he cross? No, I'll cross it. I know. I've been waiting for the girl to get a bird up to you. Woo! Yes. I'm trying to reach Colorado. Yeah, I mean, I
right here.
Oh, wait.
You see it when you ride down this hill.
It's not party affiliated?
What?
Really? Could have thought it was.
That shows Martin.
Or like funny how something is so fucking weird. Oh, we're gonna take it in. I wish that was 100%. What? Like at Aldi.
I knew.
This is my favorite place. Fuck. You give take the front, man. I love all these. Yeah, all these is great. I think it's this. Because usually people hate all this. I don't know why. Because it's so awesome. People think it's for like cheap people. Or but it's like just as good. I mean, the oven cooked bacon. Bacon shit. Oh, you taste the same? Yeah. Hey, dude, oh, you bought bacon too? Yeah. Shit. Dude, do you have an espresso? Yeah, dude. Let's make some fuck yeah. Wait, espresso in a coffee. And a coffee? In a coffee. In a coffee? Yeah. I don't know how that would work. It would be awesome. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, dude. Shannon came back here. Should I just stop it? Shannon this time of drinking. No, you don't. Should I? Yeah. Just sit there. Really?